Hey, welcome to Volo Cars. Today we're going to be showing you around this 1972 Chevrolet C10 Super Cheyenne. Make sure you click subscribe on our YouTube channel and to see all the other specs about this, hundreds more pictures, undercarriage, all the ins and outs and the write-up, make sure to go to volocars.com. Alright, so we're going to take a walk around. I'm going to show you some of these cool features. First thing you're going to notice is this two-tone paint job. Just stunning. The lights just melt on it. It's amazing to see. You don't see too many trucks like this. You don't see it because it's frame off restored. So you not only do you have the gorgeous two-tone paint job, the deluxe molding, you have the 20-inch Riddler rims on high-performance tires. That just makes it pop even more. It's not your just average farm truck. As it's turning around, like I said, the deluxe moldings on everything has been replaced when it's restored, when it was framed off. Look at the bumper. Not going to find anything wrong with it. It's really hard to find stuff that's not right with this truck. The Chevrolet, everything looks beautiful. They put new wood into the bed too, so you don't have to worry about any of the old stuff. Goes around, you can see every angle that just this truck will turn heads when it's going down the road. Gas cap, you can even get in and see some of the two-tone interior. Cheyenne new, rearview mirror, the glass, also brand new. So you don't have to worry about any of that. So now what we're going to do is take a little more in-depth look at the interior and the engine compartment. You don't want to miss any of that. Now I almost love the interior as much as I love the exterior. A lot of that has to do with the two-tone red and black houndstooth upholstery. It looks beautiful in here. It's deluxe, so you're going to have that wood grain in the dash. You're going to have the cab light, the visors. We have all new factory gauges, including a tachometer that's chrome bezeled out. Has the tilt steering wheel. Just look at this door. The paint on the inside, just as nice as the paint on the outside. They did not skip any step in this frame off restoration. So now, let's look under the hood because they got a few surprises there. Alright, so you saw the exterior and interior are show quality. Let's take a look under the hood because you know it's going to be too. Inside, first thing you're going to notice is if you look up, it's the paint. The paint is the same quality as the outside. It's done with just the same preciseness. And inside, you have a 350 mild build, high-rise intake, dual feeder Holley carbs with electric choke. We got the power steering naturally in there, and the air conditioning. So when you're going to volocars.com and checking out all those pictures and pricing, you're going to notice all those things. And I forgot to mention the underside, we got power brakes as well. So this truck literally has anything and everything you could ever want. So go ahead, click subscribe on our YouTube channel, then go over to volocars.com, see the price, all the specs, the additional photos, and then give our sales guys a call. Tell them George sent you.